Understanding the phrase, a long shot. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, a long shot. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can enrich your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the nuances of this interesting expression. The phrase, a long shot, refers to an attempt or a guess that has only a slight chance of success or is very unlikely to happen. It's often used in situations where the odds are against success, but there's still a small possibility that it might work out. For example, if someone says, "Getting into that university is a long shot for me," they mean that while it's unlikely they'll be admitted, they still hope it might happen. The term, a long shot, has its roots in sports, particularly in horse racing. In this context, a long shot was a horse that was unlikely to win a race, but if it did, it would provide a substantial payoff. Over time, the phrase expanded beyond the racetrack to describe any effort or attempt with slim chances of success. This expression is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. For instance, in professional settings, landing this client is a long shot, but we'll give it our best. In personal goals, it's a long shot, but I'm going to try to run a marathon this year. In general discussions, do you think they'll win the match? It's a long shot, but anything's possible. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, a long shot, confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's a useful expression to describe situations with slim chances but a glimmer of hope. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at using English idioms and phrases in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.